If you want to turn off the automatic color change of your screen on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how you need to. So you can notice this on your iPhone 17. The color of the screen was changes from white to a little warm like color. So if you want to turn off that option, you just need to open settings and scroll down a bit and open display and brightness, then scroll down. Then under brightness you can see this option true tone. Under this you can see automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make color appear consistent in different environment. So this is the thing. Here you can see it was like this. If I toggle this off, you can see it's converted into pure white kind of thing. If I turn it on, you can see the warm display color. So this is the thing. If you want to turn it off, just that's it. After this, your display color will be fixed like this. After this, your display color will not change automatically. It will stays like this. This will helpful for YouTubers also. So if the display color automatically changes, the video clarity was changes even time. For YouTubers, definitely you need to turn off this option when you record your iPhone screen like this. For me also. So I always turn this option. You can see on my older iPhones. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.